Hi, you two. Welcome to my crib. Okay, so we're in my friend's hall area. This is the coat closet. I'm not going to show you it because it's super messy, but we keep shoes and coats in there. And then this is our guest bathroom. It's very small. It's just like a powder room. We have towels and everything that you keep in a bathroom. I have Miretto soap, which was the most expensive purchase I think I've ever made for hand soap. And then here, and this is from Zara, this thing, and I keep all my skincare products in there, so anything that's like overflowing out of my skin cabinet downstairs, it goes in here. We have 100 bottles of sunscreen, and yeah, that's this. Okay, so this area is like where usually there's 500 pairs of shoes, but we cleaned it up for you. Cabinet was in my old place. If you saw that apartment tour, it's from West Elm. This is our basket of slippers. And then this will be replaced with a mirror. We just haven't found a mirror that we like yet. Keys, sunglasses, just like out the door things. And then down here is our stairs where our bedrooms are, but that will be in a separate video just because it's the place is a little too big for just one video. It's like, wow, it's big. Okay, this is our kitchen. It came with the apartment. We didn't make any changes. We only rent this place, so it's just like as is. Fridge. Nothing in there. Freezer. Nothing in there. We have a Vitamix, which was gifted to us, which is like literally the best thing ever. Cookbooks, knives, just like cooking things. This is all from Amsterdam that Sasha got us. And then we have our Nespresso machine. We have our Nespresso machine. A kettle that Sasha also got us. Our ode to Amsterdam with this is what Sasha got us. And then we have our soda stream, which is really great. If you guys don't know soda stream is just like these carbonated water. It's pretty great. Our microwave is down here. I actually have a microwave now. It was been like 4 years since I've had one. We have a dishwasher right here, and that is the kitchen. Dining room is connected. It's not done yet. We still have like something to hang here. We're still playing around with this. This chair is from Article. They gifted us a lot of furniture for this video, so I'm really excited because they have really nice stuff. And you know that I actually bought my couch, my first ever couch from Article from my last apartment. This table is an antique from Joe's parents. It's very nice. I don't know if it's antique or just vintage, but that's the difference, right? Bench is from IKEA. And then these bar stools are from CB2. We actually got this one that's all like warped on sale. And then we just like add the other two, but these are really great. They're super comfortable. What else? This painting was my last place. My cousin Bobby did it. He's just a great artist. And these chairs are from, I don't know. They're Marcel Brewers. I feel like they're in everything. I'll link them down below because they're great. We got them on a really good sale. And then this bar cart I got off Wayfair, I think. We just keep some booze, some cups. Oh, rug, cowhide from my last apartment. Okay, this is our living room. Probably like my favorite space in the house right now. So the things we got off Article were these two chairs, and then our couch, and this poof, and then the dining room chairs as well. We got one other chair that will be in the next video. And I mean, Article, like the stuff is so beautiful, and it came really quickly. And like they come in, they just like set it up for you, so I don't have to do anything, which is what I like. I just want to sit there. But yeah, so this is the Berard couch. We wanted just something like darker leather. I really like the way that it looks. It's pretty comfortable, and it just like is a nice clean aesthetic. Very different from my last couch. The table we got on CB2. I think I said in the vlog that our friend Mac was going to make us a table, and then he just did, so we bought one. These crates are just like really random. I really don't know where we got them, but we just keep books in there. I think they look really cool, a little eclectic. I've had this painting since I was born. It's like my pride and joy. It's probably just something I own. It's so beautiful. And then this lamp's from West Elm. That was on sale the other day. We still need to add like some plants and stuff, but right now it looks pretty good. We have some crates with some books, and like it's just a really like these are all like free. These crates, I'm pretty sure. So and these two tables, these nesting tables, we got off of Zara Home. They were originally my bedside tables, but I just didn't like the way they looked. So put them up here with this lamp from West Elm. And then this, I get so many questions about this console. I got this off All Modern, and like it looks beautiful, but it's honestly a piece of shit. Like the drawer has fallen off, it had to be glued back together, and then here it's coming apart. So highly do not recommend. And then our TV, I don't know, we got Amazon, Best Buy, don't know, Joey bought it. I don't know anything about TVs. And then our carpet is from Zara Home as well. I like really love this carpet. It is such good quality for Zara or any carpet, and I just love the print and the aesthetic. So yeah, that's our main floor. The bedroom stuff will be coming later, but